Hi, I'm Jean Guo, and I'm the CEO and founder of Nexio. We are a social impact organization founded in 2016 to support refugees, migrants, and other vulnerable populations to promote their socioeconomic integration, specifically through digital skills training. I am an immigrant myself, having been born in China and moved to the US at a young age, where I witnessed firsthand the struggles faced by my own parents. And in 2015, I moved to France to really focus on researching access to healthcare and social services for the most vulnerable populations on a Fulbright fellowship. And Nexio was born as a response, direct response to meeting community needs that I encountered on the ground. And, what I was realizing when I was on the ground was that there were solutions that really help people maybe at the initial phase of their integration process, but not those really who help them get out of a vicious cycle 2 years down the line. And that for me was focusing on skills and jobs. So, with my team, we are a diverse group of educators, community leaders, nonprofit experts. We designed, different training solutions that tackle digital skills upskilling. So we have corporate partners, we have NGO partners who really think about the soft skills, the other components that are really necessary to make integration really a holistic and complete process. And in terms of our work today, since 2016, we've been able to launch programs not only in Paris and France, but also internationally in Malawi as well. We know that there are huge challenges coming up. We know that, by 2030, nearly half of all jobs are going to be changed in some way or form. We know that there are in the world 80 million displaced persons. With climate change, these issues will only grow. Faced with these growing challenges, divisions, our goal is to imagine how can we think of solutions that really, at the same time bridge the social, economic, demographic aspects of our world and our changing world today. And so for us, we really see that in preparing the most vulnerable populations today for the future of work. We currently have a model where we're scaling in France. We have several specific populations we work with that can be women, refugees, as well as other specific target population segments. With our Malawi program, we are looking at scaling options to other countries outside of Malawi with the same model of partnership, including Cameroon and Kenya. And in terms of, what makes the solution viable, it's really thinking about, one, how do you create shared value partnerships with other organizations, government actors, private sector partners? And then second, in terms of some of the model of how we work with, thinking about a more scalable approach internationally, like the case in Malawi, where our objective is to actually train trainers on the ground to really create a model of local empowerment that can scale quite rapidly and make this, a very practical, viable solution. We won first prize in the Google Impact Challenge last year, which helped us accelerate our journey to really scale to new regions in France. Sustainable development goals that we target, we have, for example, goal number 4, quality education, number 8, decent work and economic growth, and number 10, reduce inequalities, which are very important to our work. But as a trickle-down effect from some of these first targets, we also have goal number 1, no poverty. 3, health and well-being, because being economically secure really also contributes to our overall well-being. And 5, gender equality. Success to us, in addition to being a world where everyone is digitally included, is where everyone is being included in terms of socioeconomic opportunity. In the next few years, we aim to, impact 10,000 individuals. That's by 2023. By scaling nationally and regionally in France, and as well to new countries internationally through our model of scale, working with partners locally on the ground to locally empower and build capacity. And to do this, what we're looking for is partnerships with different parts, different sectors that can be from the NGO, the corporate, institutional world. And this is why we're really applying to TIA. It's really important for us to be able to garner the support And, just in addition to the crowdfunding platform, which can help to increase our operational capacity, we also want to be part of an innovative social impact community of, like-minded individuals and investors.